Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So, today's interview question is: why do enterprises prefer Kubernetes over Docker Swarm for large scale deployment? So, stay till the end because at the end, I have some interesting quiz for you. So, interviewer can also ask what is the difference between Docker Swarm and Kubernetes? What are the key differences? So, let's have a look at it. What are the differences? So, mainly Docker Swarm is for simple application, simple web application where you do simple orchestration. Kubernetes is mainly for enterprise grade application where you need auto scaling or self healing and enterprise level security features. Okay, so let's see what are the differences. Docker Swarm is a native container orchestration tool. Native container orchestration tool by Docker. Kubernetes is a powerful open source container orchestration platform. Docker Swarm is easy to set up, simple to set up. Kubernetes, it's a complex one, complex to set up, and it has because multiple components it has. Docker Swarm is suitable for small scale application. Kubernetes is suitable for highly scalable enterprise grade application. If you look at the networking side, Docker Swarm uses overlay networking with built-in service discovery. But Kubernetes uses DNS-based service discovery. It uses DNS-based service discovery with advanced networking. Load balancing, Docker Swarm uses automatic internal load balancing, whereas Kubernetes uses services to distribute traffic among pods. It uses services to distribute traffic among pods. Fault tolerance, Docker Swarm supports node failure recovery, but limited in self-healing. If node fails, then it will try to recover it, like alternate will try to run some other things, but self-healing is limited. But in Kubernetes, it supports self-healing, automatically replace failed pods, and reschedule workload. So it has more advanced compared to Docker Swarm in terms of fault tolerance. Service discovery, it uses DNS-based. Docker Swarm uses DNS-based, built-in DNS-based, and Kubernetes use code DNS for service discovery. Storage, Docker Swarm supports volume mounts but lacks native persistent storage solution. But Kubernetes provides both persistent volume and persistent volume claims. State management, Docker Swarm primarily stateless with limited stateful support, but Kubernetes has full support for stateful application. So I have earlier discussed what is the difference between stateless and stateful. So stateless, you send a request and your request does not remember previous request. So that is a stateless. But stateful is you are sending a request to the web application, let's say Amazon.com, and it has to remember previous request because you have already placed something on the cart, shopping cart. So it has to remember that. Right? But stateless, it doesn't need to remember, just you are browsing randomly. Wikipedia page, some other page. It doesn't need to remember what you have browsed previously. But in stateful, it has to remember previous action so that it can take action based on that activity. Right? So Kubernetes supports that stateful application. Rolling updates and rollbacks. Docker Swarm supports rolling updates, but it does not have any built-in rollback mechanism. But Kubernetes has rollback mechanism also. It supports rolling updates, but it also supports rollback capability. Let's say you have pushed some changes and there are some issues came up. You want to roll back to previous version. So that you can do with Kubernetes. Monitoring, Docker Swarm has some basic monitoring via Docker stats and third-party tools. But Kubernetes has advanced monitoring with Prometheus, Grafana, and Kubernetes metrics server. Autoscaling, no built-in autoscaling in Docker Swarm, but Kubernetes has support for HPA, horizontal pod autoscaling, and vertical pod autoscaling. Security, Docker Swarm has limited security features, But Kubernetes has role-based access control or network policies and secret management. So these are the three it has. Ecosystem, Docker Swarm has smaller community. Docker maintains it, Docker incorporation. Kubernetes has larger community with strong enterprise adoption. Use case best for small scale simple deployment, and Kubernetes is good for complex large scale production environment. So which one should you use? Use Docker Swarm if you need quick simple orchestration for small application. You can use Kubernetes if you need robust orchestration with auto scaling, self-healing, and enterprise grade features. Okay, now let's have a look at the quiz, today's quiz. So by the way, I conduct quiz on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub. You can participate in the quiz and you can like top 15, 20, they come into the leaderboard and I publish it every month. So you can go and check that out. And you can also follow my WhatsApp page, WhatsApp channel. So let's see. How does Kubernetes provide better monitoring compared to Docker Swarm? Better monitoring compared to Docker Swarm. Kubernetes has built-in support for Prometheus, Grafana, Kubernetes metrics server. So answer is A, because it has a built-in support for Prometheus, Grafana, and Kubernetes server. Next question is, what is the key difference between Docker Swarm and Kubernetes in terms of scaling? As we know that Kubernetes supports HPA and vertical pod autoscaling VPA. So answer will be B. Other answers are not correct. Security, how does Kubernetes provide better security compared to Docker Swarm? As we already discussed that Kubernetes supports role-based access control, network policies, and secret management. The answer is A. When should we use Kubernetes over Docker Swarm? When deploying small-scale application, no. When managing large-scale complex production-grade workloads? Yeah, the answer is B. When managing large-scale complex production-grade workloads. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow my WhatsApp channel, YouTube channel, and also my LinkedIn page and participate in the daily quiz. And thank you for watching this video.